My name is Dee Scraps. My life is a craft artist. I'm so excited because today's my very first haul video from Five Below for 2025. Today's January 2nd. It snowed outside today and I'm so excited. I went to Five Below a couple days ago. There was a lot of stuff, a lot of stuff I wanted in that store, but I have to learn how to control myself and only buy the things I really want and I really need and I'm really gonna use. So I thought to myself, I got the things today. I love what I bought, even though I don't need these things, but I love them anyways. And I love journals. I love planning things. I got a planner. I got a calendar. I got everything going on for this year. So this year's going to be something fun for you guys. Hope you enjoy all the videos on my channel. Thank you, my new subscribers. I'm so excited. I finally got past 200 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. I was like feeling sad for a long time that I've never passed 200 subscribers. I have 215. Please keep coming back for my channel and more videos. And don't forget to, like this video, comment down below, and subscribe down below. And don't forget to click for more videos up there for notifications. So thank you so much, you guys. Let's start hauling. I love a good planner, a good journal. I love writing things down. These are some beautiful ones I found at Five Below, and they all were $5. I love what they look like. I love the texture. I love the titles. I love the covers. It's a wonderful thing to have a beautiful notebook with really cool things on it and organize your things in your life and all the things you need to write down for your YouTube channel or your business. I absolutely love it, and I love this. These are the ones I picked out. I love this. This is one my mom gave me right here. She picked this color out green, but she bought all three of these the other day at Five Below. I didn't buy any of these, but I do love buying journals. I got thousands of journals, you guys, I've never even used yet. So I'm going to start using them. I'm not going to keep buying journals and not use them. So I started using a lot of journals lately. So I don't know which one I'm going to use for my second channel because I'm doing a second channel right now. My second channel, I'm doing a video series called Reflections of Me, and I decided to pick out a journal to write in each day. And I didn't write it in my journal yesterday, so I have to go ahead and write in it. But I cannot wait. You guys are so excited to do this video, so let's get started on this haul. Which one should we start with first? 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna do green. The notes. Bought a lot of these beautiful note little journals in this little, look how cute this looks. This is the top. It looks with a green, light green little zipper thingy, and this is what it looks like on the side and on the back. It looks wonderful, you guys. I love this. So let's open this up and see. This is good. You can put this beautiful notes or this little journal in your backpack or your purse, your tote bag, or just carry it around with you. This is it's so cool. It's like a little wallet, but it's not. So let's open up the zipper. Let me show you what it looks like before I get this. Oh, I love this. I love the sound. The zipper zips real good, you guys. So, yay. I love a good notebook, you guys. You don't understand. Oh, look at the inside of this. I love it. So this one looks like on the inside. Right here. This is the back of it. I think it is. I'm not sure. No, this is the front of it. And this is the pages. I don't know how many pages you get in here, though, but this is such a cool way to write. I've already started a journal already, so I didn't have this color. It comes with a pocket. So there's a pocket right there. As you can see, that has a pocket. And then you can replace this and take this out, put another journal inside this or a notebook. And then this is what it looks like on the back. A beautiful pocket right here. Look at that pocket, you guys. A little sturdy. I like the stitching on this bad boy. Wow. This looks so nice, isn't it? And it says true story. That's funny. I love that. But this is such a cool way to write your notes or write your grocery list or your craft list. Or you could also use this notebook for just write your daily daily schedule. Whatever you want to do. You can use this to do whatever. I love it. And I just can't wait to start using my journals. And this is a good way to start, you guys. So Five Below, run in there and get this journal if you need it. So let's move on to another one I want to show you next. Okay, right? Right. The bows, you guys. I know this is a big fad last year. So comment down below. Did you guys buy anything with bows on? If you like bows, comment down below. I would like to know. Last year, it was the rage. Bows were on every single thing, you guys. It was on hats, socks, coats, shirts, t-shirts, backpacks, purses. I mean, there was lamps, there was mirrors, there was stickers, everything had bows on it. So I thought to myself, that's really cool. A cool fad, a cool thing to have. But I love bows all year round, not just for 1 second, for 1 year or last year. I love bows all the time. That's one of my favorite things is bows. And also, I love hearts and I love the diamond shape. So I thought to myself, I love this little planner. This is wonderful to have. And I can make my own bows. So ta-da! There's a bow right here. I made this a long time ago. So I love bows. So I don't just do trends. I do it all year round and all the time. I love bows. I love making them. There's so much fun making these. So I thought to myself, look at this planner. Look at this weekly organizer. I love this so much. So let's open this up and see. Let's look at the cover and everything. So right here, this is the cover. The bows are covering the cover pretty good. I love the color scheme. I love that pretty like mint green. I love the plans. These bows are well drawn. I love how they're placed. So cool, so quaint, so wonderful. So let's move on over here. Weekly organizing or organizers. Plan your week. Sticky notes. I love a good sticky note. Sticky notes, 240 in 3 different designs. Memo pad, 70 sheets. Weekly notepad, 70 sheets. 1 accordion envelope. So let's look inside this, and at the bottom has the dimensions. Look at this. It's so cool. You can put this in your purse, your backpack, your tote bag. You can just carry it in your hand if you want to. And I love it. This is what it looks like on this side right here. Let's look all around it. Let's look at the back. The back's really pretty. There's the manufacturing. Made in China. I love the bows, how they're placed. Like I said before, so great. And I don't just do fads, like I said before. I love bows. So I want to ask you a question. Comment down below. Did you buy anything with a bow on it last year? If you did, I would like to know what it is. Was it a t-shirt? Was it a sweater? Was it a jacket? Was it pants? Was it a sock? I'm just curious. So let's open this bad boy up and show you. This is the inside of it right here. And look how cute this looks on the inside, right? So let's start over here with this little envelope. Nothing's inside of it, you guys. There's nothing in there. Cool. And it has bows all over it. All of that. This theme is really working. So it's great ideas right here. That's a sticky note. One of the sticky notes. It says to do, the little mint green and the really like light pink. And this bow right here. Really cute. I want to make my own sticky notes, you guys. It's going to be so much fun to make my own stationery. I love this. Let's do plans. I love doing plans, you guys. So Monday through Sunday. Really cool. I love how this looks, you guys. So great. And it's so fun to plan. I love it. I love planning things now. So let's close it back up and show you the last thing I want to show you in this video from Five Below. I hope you guys like this. I'm so excited. I just love looking at this. I mean, I just love it. I love bows. This is my favorite shape of all time, and it is coming up next month in February. Is the heart. So I love hearts. I love journals. And this is really cool. A good combination. I love how this feels. Look at this shininess of this beautiful hearts. It is an embroidered heart journal. And that's what it looks like. And this is what it looks on the side right there. I love it. And then also I love it has 160 pages and 80 sheets. So I think it's double-sided. And there is the track number if you want to track this down and find this. I love it. Five Below. $5. And look at, I'm going to show this up close and personal if I can. Look at this. Look at those hearts. I mean, I'm obsessed with hearts. Just like I'm obsessed with bows and the diamond shape. But this is really pretty. Look at this color. It's not red, but it's like a dark pink. It's in the red family, or maybe the purple family, kind of like that. Kind of like a fuchsia color. I'm not sure. It has a little glitter and everything in it. Let's open it up. Ooh, the first page is so pretty. Look at this blue page. I love that. And that's what it looks like. It's regular notebook paper. That's what it looks like, you guys. But I love it. The pages are not too thin, not too thick. It's just perfect. And I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I'm going to write my journal on this one. Write my diary. I don't know. It's going to be so much fun. I have no idea. But I love this so much. Oh, I wish you guys could feel this. I wish you could feel this so much. It's like so cool. I don't know what kind of material this is, but I love it so much. So thanks you guys for watching this video. I'll talk to you later at the end of the video. I love showing you new things, and I'm glad I'm showing you this. By saying thank you, thank you, and thank you, and thank you again so much to my amazing craft artists for helping me get past 200 subscribers. We are at 215 now. Thank you so much. I've been waiting on 200 plus subscribers for a long time, and I know my videos have not been the best. Not the good lighting, not the good graphics, none of that stuff. I'm trying my hardest, so we're gonna try really hard this year to make this channel pop, you guys. We're gonna make it pop. better thumbnails. Everything's getting changed. So I'm doing a video about all the changes on this channel. I'll be doing that in the next couple days. And this month of January, everything will be changing. I want better thumbnails, better lighting, better camera equipment. It's going to be so much better, you guys, and better videos all together. So thank you so much for our new subscribers. We made it to 250 subscribers. Yes, we finally got there. I'm so happy. Hopefully we can get to 300 by spring. Maybe, right? Hopefully we can. And hopefully you guys had a great year last year. Hopefully your new year's going great. Today is January 2nd, so I had so much fun doing this video. I'm so excited because I can't believe we finally made it past 200 subscribers, guys. I'm going to keep saying that. We made it. So thank you so much. And my old school subscribers, don't forget, I love you guys. You stayed as long as you can and stayed as long as you can. I mean, thank you for staying and not clicking away, I meant to say. But thank you so much, you guys. I hope you have a great day and keep crafting no matter what. What?